The weeded hums through ancient glens, where time and tide will never end. My breath becomes the breeze's song, a fleeting dance where hearts belong. The hazel sways, its leaves unfold to whisper truths from days of old. Each gust a spark of sacred air that lifts my soul from deep despair. Breath becomes the breeze, oh set me free through misty veils to eternity. Your gentle flow will guide my heart to peace where night and day won't. The standing stones, they catch the breeze, their rooms hum soft with ancient ease. Each gust a thread of wisdom's grace that weaves through time and sacred space. The twilight glows, the air is clear, the spirits of the past are near. I breathe their song, my heart takes flight and finds its peace in fading light. Breath becomes the breeze, oh set me free from misty veils to eternity. Your gentle flow will guide my heart to peace where night and day won't. Oh, sacred air, you carry dreams through starlit skies and silver streams. Your whisper binds my soul to earth, a timeless dance of death and birth. My spirit soars where breezes sing and finds the peace that freedom brings. Low whistle rings, the harp strings glide. Breath becomes the breeze, oh set me free through misty veils to eternity. Your gentle flow will guide my heart to peace where night and day won't part. In breezy song my soul takes flight, embraced by peace in endless night. The winter wraps the earth in white, a restful cloak beneath the night. The bare trees stand in silent grace, their branches trace a sacred space. The frost does gleam on frozen stream, its quiet hums of winter's dream. I walk where snow and starlight blend and feel the peace that knows no end. Winter's global hold me near, your quiet peace will calm my fear. In your embrace my soul finds rest, a timeless calm, forever blessed. The holly stands with berries red, a spark of life where cold has spread. The ancient ancient stones with frost adorned, pulled secrets of the nights reborn. The wind's soft sigh, lullaby that cradles earth beneath the sky. I kneel where winter's heart is still and feel its sacred gentle will. Winter's cold, go hold me near. Your quiet peace will calm my fear. In your embrace my soul finds rest, a timeless calm forever blessed. Winter's breath, your chill is kind, a balm for heart and weary mind. The earth's own pulse within you sleeps, its wisdom in your silence keeps my spirit rest where snowflakes fall and answers to your sacred call. Winter's cold will hold me near. Your quiet peace will calm my fear. In your embrace, my soul finds rest, a timeless calm forever blessed. In winter's arms, my heart is free, embraced by cold eternity. By sacred stream where willows weep, a heart's old wounds in silence sleep. The waters hum a healing song to mend the soul where hurts belong. The ancient stones they softly call, their wisdom lifts the heart's great fall. Each ripple weaves a thread of grace to bind my spirit to this place. Mend my spirit, O sacred stream, restore my heart with love's soft dream. Your gentle flow will make me whole and heal the scars upon my soul. The forest whispers through the mist, its leaves embrace where pain persists. Each branch a balm, each root a cure for hearts that wander lost unsure. The druid's chant still lingers here, in waters clear, in skies sincere. I kneel beside the spring's soft flow and feel my spirit start to grow. Mend my spirit, O sacred stream, restore my heart with love's soft dream. Your gentle flow will make me whole and heal the scars upon my soul. Oh, healing waters pure and true, your sacred touch makes all things new. Through every spirit, a sacred stream, restore my heart with love's soft dream. Your gentle flow will make me whole, and tears upon yours whole soul. By sacred spring, my heart is free, healed by the earth's eternity. With tender bloom, as spring emerges from the gloom. The blackthorn flowers, soft and white, unfold beneath the morning's light. The rivers sing of life renewed, their currents hum with gratitude. I walk where green and sunlight meet, and feel the pulse of spring's heart beat. Spring's awakening, oh calm my soul, where life and light make spirits whole. Your verdant touch will set me free, to bloom within eternity. The lark ascends with joyful cry, its song a spark in azure sky. The ancient oaks in splendor rise, their branches reach for brighter skies. The sacred wells with waters gleam, reflecting spring's eternal dream. I kneel where earth and air embrace, and find my heart in spring's soft grace. Spring's awaken, oh calm my soul, where life and light make spirits whole. Your verdant touch will set me free, to bloom within eternity. Oh gentle spring, your breath is near, a song of hope that calms my fear. The ancients' joy within you flows, their wisdom in your blossoms grows. My spirit soars where green unfolds, forever bound to spring's soft halls.
Harp strings blow, the whistle's song lips.
Spring's awakening, oh call my soul, where life and light make spirits whole. Your verdant touch will set me free,